Car was overheating. Heater hoses were warm for a New York minute, but then you rev it up for some heat and it goes away. Radiator hoses were not hot, so the engine was hot, but nothing else really. You can see the difference. New water pump, old water pump. Somehow, some way, the black plastic has said goodbye. So 2013 Chevrolet Sonic 1.4 liter turbo, overheating problem. That might be it. If you have a boardoscope, you might be able to take this housing off and snake a camera in here to see, but it's going to be dark because it's black. So, not that fun to get to, but that could be a problem for overheating.